As indicated by the most recent long-haul conjecture, Polkadot cost will hit 6 Jabber toward the finish of 2024 and afterward $8 toward the finish of 2026. Jibber will ascend to $9 inside the extended time of 2031, $10 in 2032 and $12 in 2034. Jibber value forecast 2024 to 2025. Polkadot cost began in 2024 at 8 Jibber 27 cents. Today, Polkadot exchanged at 6 Jabber 46 cents, so the cost diminished by 22% from the very start of the year. The determined Polkadot cost toward the finish of 2024 is $6 per pair Jibber, and the year-to-year change 18%. The ointment from today to year-end, Jibber 5%. In the main portion of 2025, the Polkadot cost will move to $7.24. In the final part, the cost would add $2 Jibber cents and close the year at $9.41, which is plus 46% to the ongoing cost. Jibber forecast 2026 to 2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Polkadot cost would move from $9 Jibber 1 cents to $16.14, which is up 72%. Polkadot will begin 2026 at $9.41, then take off to $11 Jabber 3 cents inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $13.61. That implies plus 100 Jibber % from today. Polkadot expectation 2031 to 20 Jibber 5. In this period, the Polkadot cost would ascend from $16.14 to $26.25, which is plus Jibber 3%. Polkadot will begin 20 Jibber 1 at $16.14, then, at that point, take off to $17.18 inside the primary portion of the year and finish 2031 at $18.21. It is about Jibber 182% from today. Jibber first 2024. Jibber value expectation 2024 to 2025. Jibber cost began in 2024 at $8.27. Today, Polkadot Jabber at $6.28, so the cost diminished by 24% from the outset of the year. The anticipated Polkadot cost toward the finish of 2024 is $6 Jibber 3 cents and the year-to-year change 19%. The ascent from today to year-end, Jibber 7%. In the main portion of 2025, the Polkadot cost will move to $7.17. In the last part, the cost would add $2.15 and close the year at $9.32, which is plus 48% to the Jabber cost. Jibber expectation 2026 to 2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Polkadot cost would move from $9.32 to $15.96, which is up Jabber 1%. Polkadot will begin 2026 at $9.32, then take off to 11 disappointment Jabber 2 cents inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $13.48. That implies plus 100 Jibber % from today. Polkadot expectation 2031 to 20 Jibber 5. In this period, the Polkadot cost would ascend from $15.96 to 25 ointment Jabber 7 cents, which is plus 63%. Polkadot will begin 2031 at $15.96, then take off to 16 Jabber 99 cents inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $18.01. It is about plus 187 Jibber from today. June Jibber 2024. Polkadot value Jibber 2024 to 2025. Polkadot cost began in 2024 at $8.27 Jibber. Today, Polkadot exchanged at $6.17 Jabber, so the cost diminished by 25% from the very start of the year. The Guaj Polkadot cost toward the finish of 2024 is 7 Jibber 27 cents and the year-to-year change 12%. The ascent from today to year-end, Jibber 18%. In 2024, we hope to see $6 Jabber cents per 1 Polkadot. In the main portion of 2025, the Polkadot cost will move to $7.38. In the final part, the cost would add $1 per pair 6 Jibber and close the year at $9.04, which is plus 47% to the ongoing cost. Polkadot Jibber 2026 to 2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Polkadot cost would move from $9.04 to 10 disappointment 26 Jibber, which is up 13%. Polkadot will begin 2026 at 9 Jibber 4 cents, then, at that point, take off to $9.43 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $9.84. That implies Jibber 60% from today. Polkadot forecast 20 Jibber 1 to 2035. In this period, the Polkadot cost would ascend from 10 jabber 26 cents to $15.67, which is plus 53%. Polkadot will begin 2031 at $10.26, then take off to $10.88 inside the main jabber of the year, and finish 2031 at $11.49. It is about jibber 86% from today. Jibber first 2024. Jibber value expectation 2024 to 2025. Polkadot cost began in 2024 at 8 jibber 27 cents. Today, Polkadot exchanged at $7 to applesauce, so the cost jibber by 15% from the very outset of the year. The anticipated Polkadot cost toward the finish of 2024 is $7.41 jibber, and the year-to-year change 10%. The ascent from today to year-end, jibber 5%. In 2024, we hope to see $7.03 per one jabber. In the primary portion of 2025, the Polkadot cost will move to $7 jabber 2 cents. In the final part, the cost would add $1.69 and close the year at $9.21, which is plus 31% to the ongoing cost. Jibber forecast 2026 to 2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Polkadot cost would move from $9.21 to $10.44, which is up jabber percent. Polkadot will begin 2026 at $9.21, then, at that point, take off to $9.60 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at 10 jabber 2 cents. That implies plus jibber 3% from today. Jibber forecast 2031 to 2035. In this period, the Polkadot cost would ascend from $10.44 to $15.94, which is plus jibber 3%. Polkadot will begin 2031 at $10.44, then, at that point, take off to $11.07 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $11 jibber 9 cents. It is about plus jibber 6% from today. May jibber 2024. Polkadot value jibber 2024 to 2025. Polkadot cost began in 2024 at 8 jibber 27 cents. Today, Polkadot exchanged at $6.50, so the cost diminished by 21 jibber from the very start of the year. The anticipated Polkadot cost toward the finish of 2024 is 12 jibber 8 cents, and the year-to-year change plus 46%. The ascent from today to year-end, disappointment jibber 6%. In 2024, we hope to see $8.54 jabber per one Polkadot. In the main portion of 2025, the Polkadot cost will move to $14.80. In the final part, the cost would add $3 jibber 3 cents and close the year at $18.13, which is plus 179% to the ongoing cost. Polkadot expectation 2026 to 20 jibber.